We have one that just hatched, and it hatched one day early because really they're supposed to be hatching tomorrow. And we have another one that's on its way out right now. So I'm going to take a video of it for you guys so you can see what it looks like when they first come out. Please remember that they're going to look very tired and wet, and they're going to look like they're about to die, but they're not. They're just really, really tired, okay, from doing all that work. Oh, I hear it. Oh, that's our one that already came out. The one that already came out is in the other incubator right now, because I did not want it. When they come out, they kind of like flail around in there, trying to get the shell off of them, and I didn't want it to bump into the other eggs because the other eggs are haven't been moved in the last 3 days so that they can find their way up. This one, it looks like it's, see how it made one little peck hole, and now it's making like more holes all the way around, and then it'll like take its body and push the shell off. And then this one over here looks like it's working on it too. The one on the left is probably going to come out first, and then the one on the right will come out later. Yeah, you can hear them in there cheeping. And then let's just visit really quick the one that came out, because I put that one in the other incubator, see? This incubator is a little bit older. Don't know where it went. Oh, it's kind of hiding over there. And there it is. And they cheep like that when they get out, but you can tell it's already starting to dry off a little bit. It's a lively little one. And I have it in there. This one's nice and warm and everything for it, so. And then I'll give them a while in this incubator until they are nice and dry. And then I'll put them in the tank with the light on them so that they can eat and drink. But it's fine for now. So cute. All right, let's go back over to this guy over here because he's really working hard to get out. I know you can't see it now because the egg kind of turned, but it really has like this huge slit. I will open this up a little bit so you can see it better. Hard in there to get out. That one is too. The one right next to it. And there's. I don't want to keep this open too long because I know we like that heat. But you can see. Kind of hard to see because it's on the side a little bit. But so cool. I do this every year, and it just amazes me every year. Set this lid wanting to fall on me here. Sorry. Never ever help them out, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's. See how far it's cracked. It's shell. Ooh. Okay. You don't ever take off the shell for them. And it's part of their process, and if you do that for them, they could actually die. You do it for them. So. I'm going to put this lid back on. Hang on a second, friends. Sorry, it's hard to do with the camera. Alright, there we go. Watch this. Oh my goodness. I really think we're going to get to watch this one come out completely. The one in the other incubator's chirping a lot. It's part of their process. It's not upset or anything. It's just part of what they do. I'm going to have a little farm at Mrs. Curtis's house. Wow. This one's about to come out. Hard to see. There we go. Ooh. Oh, the little wing came out. Oh, its little wing came out. How cute. Now it's probably just going to push a couple more times and it's going to be out. This is so exciting. See how it's like resting a minute? Rest, 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 and then sometimes I think that the chirping of the other ones like motivates these ones to come out because they weren't doing much until that one. Oh, there you go. I could see its leg now. Its little claws in its foot. See if I can open the lid one more time. Because it's a better view with the lid off. All right, hang on. Aww. There's our second little baby. Oh, hi! See, now that's why we move them out, because they bump the other ones and then the other ones get a little mixed up. There you go. See how they just kind of lay there at first because they're so, it's just exhausted. This took up all of its energy that it has to hatch. There's the shell that it just came out of. So amazing every time. All right. Bye everyone. So happy to share this day. It's so happy.